Hi Mac users, I am Srinivas, your host. Welcome to Apple Voice, Voice of the Apple. In this episode, I will show you how to navigate files and folders on Mac with VoiceOver. Without further delay, let's dive into our today's tutorial. Let's go to the desktop with Vivo Shift D.
Desktop, River.
I am on the desktop right now. The Finder on Mac is similar to the File Explorer on Windows machines. Finder always sits inside the dock on our Mac. Let's go to the dock with Vivo D.
Dock. Finder.
Vivo space on this Finder to launch it.
Finder. Srinivas. Window. Column view.
I always use the column view for my Finder. You can change the Finder view as a column view by using command 3.
As columns, checked.
Vivo right arrow once.
Column view.
If you open the Finder, the focus is always on the column browser. If not, Vivo right arrow to come to this column browser. I am inside my home folder because my Finder always opens with my home folder.
Column view.
Interact with this column browser with Vivo Shift down arrow.
Audios.
To navigate via folder by folder, we can use the down arrow or Vivo down arrow. Press the down arrow.
Docs.
This is my next folder. Press the down arrow once more.
Downloads.
Press the down arrow.
Movies.
Press down arrow again.
Music.
Press the down arrow once more.
Pictures.
Vivo down arrow.
Public.
Public. This is the last folder inside my home. If we press the up arrow, we can go back folder by folder upwards.
Pictures.
Pictures,
Music.
music,
Movies.
movies,
Downloads. Docs.
docs,
Audios.
audios. These are various folders inside my home. If we want to check the files inside this particular folder,
Audios.
just press the right arrow once to get inside this folder one time.
Pete MP3.
This is an audio file inside this particular folder. To navigate via files inside this folder, press the down arrow or up arrow.
Remarks.
This is the last file. Press the up arrow.
Pete MP3.
So there are only 2 audio files inside my audios folder. Press the left arrow to go back to the original folder.
Audios.
This is the original folder in which those 2 audio files are situated. Press the down arrow.
Docs.
This is another folder inside my home. Press the right arrow.
Maths.
This is a subfolder inside docs. To navigate via subfolders inside this main folder, press the down arrow.
Union Bank.
This is also a subfolder inside the main folder docs on my home. Press the down arrow.
Work.
This is also a subfolder. Press the right arrow to enter this subfolder work to check the files inside this subfolder.
Data file.
This is a file which is inside the work subfolder, and this subfolder is inside the main folder docs. Press the down arrow.
Letter to principal.
Press the left arrow to go just a step outside to the work subfolder.
Work.
Press the left arrow once more to go out to the main folder. To navigate via files or subfolders, just use the up arrow or down arrow. To come out of a particular subfolder or a file, just use your left arrow.
Docs.
Now I am on my docs folder. If I press M as in money, I get
Movies.
movies, because this is the first folder whose spelling starts with the letter M. Press the down arrow.
Music.
Press the up arrow.
Movies.
Press the up arrow once more.
Downloads.
If I press MU, then I'll go to the music folder.
Move music.
If I press MO spelling, then I reach movies folder.
Movies.
If I press PU, it takes me to public folder.
Pick public.
If I press only P, it takes me to the pictures folder, because that's the first folder whose spelling starts with P.
Pictures.
If there are two folders which start with the same letter, then we have to type the spelling. You can type first two letters or first three letters according to the folders which you have created.
Finder. River.
I hope you have enjoyed this episode. You can write your queries to our mail address appleabilities@gmail.com. We will meet soon with another tutorial like this. Thank you all, and thanks for listening.
This is an Apple Voice
Apple Voice
presentation.
presentation.